What's up everybody, Real Estate Nate. We're outside of our most recent flip that we're doing right now in West Valley. I know it doesn't look like much, guys, but I'm gonna show you the before and later we're gonna show you the after product. This is basically what we got to work with. And guys, if you're a wholesaler, that's great. But you're gonna need to get into flipping eventually because it is profitable and it is a good extra strategy to have to help you make more money. So I'm gonna show you guys this deal that we got going and answer any questions, show you what we're doing, what we're not doing, and yeah, I'll give you the juice. So like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let's see what we got. So what's up everybody? Inside this house that we're flipping, I'm about to give you the scoop. So we got this deal from a flipper that was kind of tired of flipping. I think he might have ran out of money, who knows what happened, but he was flipping it already, as you can see from the floors. They look pretty nice. They painted the fireplace, the brick. But basically what we're coming in here is we're finishing the flip out. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do and what we're not gonna do, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, who knows if it'll work? I mean, I think it'll work out. We did our numbers and we know there's enough of spread, but I'm not a fortune teller. We'll see what happens with the market, but we got to keep going strong, everybody. So first, check out the walls right here. We got to paint them. Nothing too crazy about these walls. The windows are old. They're double paned, but I'm going to do a really good job and clean them up, all right? Nothing crazy with the windows. Put some molding on the bottom that need to be done. Fireplace is fine. It's been painted. As you can see, the screen door, I mean, older, but like we're just going to clean it. We're not going to put a brand new door in there. So paint inside. Now you guys can see, we're probably gonna fix this, put a more modern light fixture on here. Kitchen, and you get to the kitchen, guys, there were already granite countertops in this house that was getting flipped, and the cabinets look decent. I'm not the biggest fan of these handles, but maybe we'll change the handles. But other than that, it's a small kitchen, but it'll do just fine. Door, put a new door on this thing, and if Hector, you wanna follow me outside, the house had the grass was about this high. So we got a bid for like $800 to cut the grass from some jabroni. And we said, we're not paying $800 to cut grass. So what we did, guys, is one of our project manager said, I'll freaking knock it out. And he knocked it out in a couple hours, got a mower, and mowed this whole thing down. Now it looks decent. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. But yeah, guys, so, I mean, right now with the way things are, people are gonna try and rock you. They're gonna try to put you over the coals and rock you and charge you more than you really should to do stuff. But you just gotta say no and just do it yourself sometimes. I know that's not always the coolest thing or what you wanna hear, but sometimes people charge too much. So coming down here, guys, we have a bathroom that needs to be finished, but the drywall's already done in there, and the tub is newer. We just need to put a vanity and a toilet and finish the floors. Nothing too crazy with that. Coming in here, you'll see that the flooring needs to be done. Obviously, we need to paint. These are older doors that aren't gonna fit. We're gonna have to put in new doors or paint them. Most likely put new doors. Back in these 2 bedrooms, I mean, nothing crazy. You just need to clean it, put carpet paint. Okay, same with this one, carpet paint, clean the windows. So as you can see so far, you know, it's not gonna be something astronomical on the flip. It's just, you know, finish the bathroom, carpet paint, clean this up really nice. One thing that is gonna cost us a lot is the master. But hey guys, one thing I'll tell you right now, one thing that I do enjoy is when people leave stuff behind. They left some DVDs. I might take one and watch one tonight with my wife, who knows? But the sellers, they always leave stuff, so this is the master. Obviously, we're gonna paint, carpet, probably change the doors in here. The master bathroom needs quite an overhaul. You're gonna have to change the floor. Be careful there, you don't wanna fall through the floor. The floor is a little soft, and it's got I'm telling you, some crazy tile. Yeah, so this used to be the style back in the day, but they got some blue, nasty tile. We're probably gonna open that shower up real nice. But yeah, master needs to be worked on. So let's head downstairs. But that's the upstairs for you guys. So the downstairs needs quite a bit of work, and which we're doing right now. We won't bother you in here. So we got some work going on, so come check this out, Hector. So this bathroom, so by the way guys, it's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Come on in here. This bathroom floor needs to be done, vanity needs to be done. They did leave the washer and dryer, which we do try to sell on KSL or Craigslist or wherever you're at. We try to sell on Facebook Marketplace, make a couple $100. This is the utility room. Water heater was new, pretty cool. And it's just, you know, it's a normal utility room, storage room. So right here, here's one of the bedrooms down here. That's getting fixed up. Man, I don't know what kind of style people had back in the day, but green carpet, I don't ever know why green carpet was ever a thing. But this room is pretty nice. I mean, the drywall in here is fine. It just needs to be painted, new flooring. Same with here. We've gotten the drywall put in here. As you can see, it's all been drywall up top. Drywall just needs to be textured and painted. New flooring. Paint the brick on the fireplace. It's a nice big room. So, and by the way, it used to have all this paneling. So Shane, our guy, did a really good job of getting rid of the paneling and putting drywall up again. As you can see, like I said, it's got the paneling, trash. So guys, this is the house. I mean, it ain't nothing sexy. You get a piece of trash house or a house that needs a lot of work, you flip it and you sell it, and that's how you make your money. So why, most people in this video probably are like, Nate, why didn't you just wholesale it? Why didn't you just, why didn't you wholesale? Why did you decide to flip it? And the reason why, guys, is because when we crunch our numbers, we have a deal calculator, deal analyzer calculator, where we run the numbers and say, okay, how much would we make if we wholesale this? Okay, how much would we make if we flip this? We ran the numbers, and a wholesale deal is looking like we're gonna make maybe 10, 15, 20,000 on this one, okay? 20,000 at most. And if we flip it, we're looking well beyond that, you know, of 50, 60 plus. So for us, we analyze it and say, okay, is the risk worth it? And we think it is, and we've done quite a few flips, and you know, we've done well since we run our numbers and you know, do a good job at analyzing it. So guys, you need to know how to wholesale, fix and flip, creative financing, novations. You need to know all your extra strategies so you can make as much as you can on the properties that you do get. Wholesaling is great. If you're able to wholesale 10, 15, 20 houses consistently a month, then it's a great business model. But if you run a smaller organization that you're getting like maybe 3, 5, 10 deals, then it's good to, you know, I think you should leverage and maximize and choose the extra strategy no matter what. But if wholesaling is your only thing, then that's fine. But that's not what we do. If you want to learn how to wholesale, fix and flip, novations, creative financing, rentals, buy and hold, multi-units, if you want to learn that, then you know that's what we teach in our mastermind. Guys, if you want to learn, if any of this stuff that I told you excites you and you want to learn more, all you have to do to talk to me is DM me or go to the link in the description and set up a time for a one-on-one call with me, and we'll discuss what I can do to help you grow your business. It's that simple. Just sign up for a link to chat. But that's why we're here. I'm showing you all this information so you can get into flipping, you can get into wholesaling, you can start making money. So Guys, thanks for tuning in to the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and for more content like this where we show you houses we're wholesaling, fixing, flipping. I'm giving you the case studies and showing you exactly how we do it. I'm not holding anything back so you guys can see exactly how we do things. So thanks again for coming to the channel. Talk to you later.